We know what to do. Let's pat to the beat of the music, to give Saucer our full power. Pat with us. Pat, 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 pat.
Power up, 50%.
We need more power. Let's pat a little faster. Pat, 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 pat.
Power up, 80%.
We're almost there. Let's go faster. Pat, 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 pat.
Power up complete.
We did it. We gave Saucer our full power. Alright everyone. Let's raise our arms as high as we can, and say, blast off. Blast off.
Hold on tight.
Great patting everybody. And you too. Great patting.
Okay, so we all know what we need to do. We need a way to surprise Saucer, so that we can scare his hiccups away.
I may know how we can do that. My dad once told me that when he was with Noah, Blue, Justin, and the little Einsteins, Quincy came up with the idea to surprise Rocket by sneaking up behind him and crashing cymbals to surprise Rocket. So, maybe if we do the same thing to Saucer, it'll cure his hiccups.
That's a good idea. But where do we go to get some cymbals?
Well, since we can't go to the music store, there's only one place we can go for instruments. Orchestra Ocean. You remember Orchestra Ocean? It's an ocean that has every instrument there is. There should be cymbals there for us to use.
Ah yes, that's the perfect place to get some cymbals. And with those cymbals, we should be able to cure Saucer's hiccups in no time.
Alright. Saucer, to Orchestra Ocean.
To Orchestra Ocean.